Hello everyone, my name is Chris Janakis. I'm the Florida State Manager for Colonial Life. Colonial Life has been proud to be part of the State of Florida pre-tax program for over 25 years. Today, I'll be reviewing Colonial's 3 insurance products that are available on a pre-tax basis: accident, disability, and cancer insurance. These plans are designed to give you the financial protection you and your family may need. So, let's start by looking at Colonial's accident insurance plan. This coverage pays you directly if you seek medical treatment for a covered accidental injury, which means we don't pay hospitals or doctors. Benefits go directly to you or beneficiary. This plan will cover you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including accidents that occur on and off the job. Accidental benefits will pay regardless of workers' comp or any other insurance you may have with another company. Though this is an accident plan, it also includes a $75,000 death benefit in case there's an accidental loss of life. Worldwide coverage is also a benefit of this accident plan. You are covered wherever you may go. Also, there is a guaranteed issue provision, which simply means there are no health questions asked. And as long as you meet the age guidelines, you are able to get this coverage. On the right, you can see the rates for this product. Please note, these are monthly amounts and will be calculated to your pay frequency. Let's take a look at some common accidental injuries and a sample payout. Here, you can see there are many different types of injuries covered, including dislocations, fractures, lacerations, and burns. Just remember, for any accident or injury that would cause you to go to the doctor, emergency room, or a quick care type of facility, even if it's not too serious, there may be benefits available to you. Colonial's disability insurance is also known as paycheck protection. Colonial's disability plan will cover you on and off the job 24/7 for covered accidents and illnesses. There are 3 benefit design options to consider. First, you can choose the benefit amount. This means you can decide how much of your paycheck you would like to protect, up to 66 2/3% of your income. Second, you can choose a length of time you would like to receive benefits if you become disabled. We have 3, 6, and 12-month plans available. Finally, you can choose your elimination period or waiting period, which is the number of days that must go by before your benefits begin. Elimination period options include the 1st day coverage, 8th day coverage, 15th day coverage, or 31st day coverage. This plan pays for covered accidents and sicknesses, including maternity leave. Just like our accident plan, this plan will cover you worldwide if you are traveling. It also has a guaranteed issue provision, which means any employee can get this coverage as long as you qualify age-wise. Please note that pre-existing conditions may apply. This means that if you have received medical treatment or advice in the previous 12 months, those conditions will not be covered for the first 12 months following the policy effective date. However, after this 12-month period, they will be covered. So even if you have a serious chronic condition, you would be covered after that first 12 months. This slide shows the rate chart for disability insurance. An important feature of Colonial's disability insurance is the ability to create a plan that works for you. When you're thinking about getting disability plan, there are a few things to consider. How much will I need in case I do become disabled? How long would I like to receive my benefits? And when would the benefits actually start paying me? Remember, we're always here to help. We have many certified benefits specialists around the state who are more than happy to take their time with you and make sure that you design the plan that best fits your needs. Since we have several options, it's good to know you can always review your plan from year to year and make the changes that are important to you. The third product I would like to review is Colonial's cancer insurance. First of all, we will pay benefits directly to you for treatments associated with any type of internal cancer. The money can be used not only for direct but indirect expenses, which include deductibles, co-pays, travel, and home health care. One of the best things about this policy is that it does not operate within any type of network. This means you will have the ability to go to any hospital or treatment center anywhere in the United States. Included in this plan is a $50 wellness benefit that can be paid to any covered person on a yearly basis. Exclusively for the state of Florida account, Colonial Life is offering this cancer plan on a guaranteed issue basis. This means that it will cover you even if you have been diagnosed in the past or have a current diagnosis. A pre-existing clause will apply, which simply means if you have been diagnosed or received treatment in the previous 6 months, there will be a 6-month waiting period when the policy is issued. After the 6-month period, cancer treatments going forward would be covered. On the top right, you'll see the monthly rates for this plan. There are so many different directions that a cancer diagnosis can take you through. Here's one family's journey. Paul and Kim were preparing for their 2nd child when they learned Paul had cancer. They quickly realized their medical insurance wouldn't cover everything. Thankfully, Kim's job enabled her to have a Colonial cancer insurance policy on Paul to help them with expenses. Colonial's cancer plan provided benefits for every step of the way, from the screenings to surgery to treatment, including experimental care, as well as follow-up evaluations. With Colonial's cancer plan in place, they could focus on recovering instead of worrying about the financial impact. Let's review some additional benefits that these Colonial policies provide. Payroll deduction is available for all 3 pre-tax products through the state's People First system. All claims benefits are paid directly to you or your designated beneficiary. Also, you can keep these coverages when you retire or change jobs with no increase in premium. And if you qualify for the state of Florida retirement, you may choose to continue deducting Colonial Life premiums directly from your retirement check. More good news, there will be no periodic rate increases due to age once you have a policy in force. We also do not increase costs due to the number of claims. As a reminder, you're covered 24/7 on and off the job for any of these plans. And finally, all of these products are guaranteed issue, meaning health questions are waived when you enroll as a new hire or during open enrollment period. Let's talk about eligibility. Each of our insurance plans are available to all benefit eligible employees that work for the state of Florida government. Here, you can see a chart with issue ages. In order to qualify for coverage, you must be the age listed on the date the policy takes effect. You may enroll in these products during the state of Florida's annual open enrollment period through People First or with your local agent. As a new hire, these benefits are available within the first 60 days after your date of hire. Or, if you have a qualified status change, you will have a 60-day window to make changes. When it comes to claims, we are here to help. You can contact a local benefits specialist or the Florida District Office for assistance in submitting a claim. Whether you are an existing client or simply have a question regarding any of the plans, feel free to give us a call or email us. Thank you for your time.